love living in the Bow Valley.
I love the Bow Valley.
We love the Bow Valley.
The Bow Valley!
I love the Bow Valley. I love living in the Bow Valley. Yeah.
I've lived in the Bow Valley my whole life, and I've spent many days in these mountains. I want future generations to be able to enjoy them as much as I do. There have been profound temperature changes in the Rocky Mountains, as much as 1.5 degrees increase. We need to make a change. Now is the time.
To know your opinion on climate change.
Well, I'm aware that climate change is happening and that it is largely due to human impact, to fossil fuel use and consumption, I guess.
So I'd just really like to see a little bit more information and tests done to actually see if climate change is really real.
Since the Industrial Revolution, carbon dioxide levels in the atmosphere have increased by 32%. Almost everything that goes on in your house contributes to greenhouse gas emissions. Garbage and landfills contribute 6% to the greenhouse gas emissions in our atmosphere. Water heating contributes 7%. Your household appliances and lighting contribute 9%. Then there's a big gap, and space heating contributes 33%. All these houses need to be heated, and people don't even live in them half of the time. And vehicle usage contributes an astonishing 45%. 1 liter of gas for your car puts 2.4 kilograms of carbon dioxide into our atmosphere. A gas-electric hybrid car puts 2,030 kilograms of carbon dioxide emissions into our atmosphere each year. The average car puts 3,326 kilograms of carbon dioxide into the atmosphere every year. And SUVs, light trucks, and minivans put 4,752 kilograms of carbon dioxide emissions into our atmosphere each year. That's a whopping 134% more than a hybrid car.
There's obviously a lot of misconception and lack of information in our community. I think a lot of people, the reason that we don't necessarily have a lot of action against climate change is because people just don't know. Like, if you're an everyday citizen, you've got lots to worry about. Sometimes climate change gets put on the back burner and people don't really, like, the information's not out there, so it's hard to really make a difference when you're not sure what to do.
Due to the reduction in glacier coverage, river and stream flow have drastically decreased. This takes away from fish habitats and enjoyment of my fly fishing.
Powder skiing and rising temperatures don't mix. Increased winter temperatures forecast things like increased winter rain and way less snow, rising snow lines and snowpack building later in the winter and melting sooner in the spring. Also, lower-lying ski hills will be at risk of losing all their snow. Therefore, I'll lose the opportunity to downhill ski.
Climate change really affects everyone and everything on this planet. It's a global issue. It's probably the biggest concern, or it should be the biggest concern for everybody. The youth of today plays a big role in the movement against climate change because we're the first ones to be taught the severity of these issues. When the older generation was in school, there wasn't a lot of information and there wasn't a lot of research being done on the effects that humans have really had against the world. And now that we know this, I think it's really important for the youth of today to tell the older generation, because it's not that they don't care about the environment, it's just that they don't know that stuff. And it's our time to get the word out there and make our voice heard.